Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am in complete hope that you would be okay in your respective homes. Government is well set to conduct your examinations online in the coming months. So it is compulsion and moral obligation on us to remain inside our homes and do prepare ourselves for the coming examinations. By sitting in home isolation, we can benefit ourselves in two ways. One, to prepare ourselves for the coming examinations and to cross these examinations with a difference. And secondly, we can defeat COVID-19 and infection that is killing people in plenty. Dear students, today without use of whiteboard, through communication skills, you may learn something, and I am devising today the same policy. And it is class 10th, subject history, and topic under discussion is non-cooperation movement. Dear students, non-cooperation movement was launched by Gandhi on 5th of September 1920 with the aim of self-governance and obtain full independence as the Indians withdraw their support for the British reformers further. Dear students, Rowlatt Act, a barbaric act passed by British which avoided Indians to defend themselves in case of citizen charges. And also Jallianwala Bagh massacre, where it was a bloodshed, it was a barbaric act, built enthusiasm and separated Indians to challenge the British and to take their land back or go for this complete independence under the guidance of Gandhi. Dear students, non-cooperation movement gained pace and intensity within very short time, with short duration, because Gandhi moved to different areas, asked people to boycott the interaction, the business with the British in all respects almost. For example, to wear khadi, that is the pure Indian, to buy Indian products, not foreign goods, to boycott the educational institutions run by the British, to surrender the titles that are being given. So the movement gained pace and it spread like a wildfire in each nook and corner of the India. Gandhi went for one more idea, that I should go for this movement for the complete independence of India with ahimsa, that is truth, the satyagraha, without harming or violating the norms or to move in harsh attempts or to go in harsh attempts against the British. The Gandhi had idea that this movement must gain pace and intensity. All people should be involved in it, but there should be no violence at all. We should obtain complete independence from the British imperialism or British colonialism in peaceful manner. That is his core ideology, non-violence. Dear students, with the passage of time, Indians did what Gandhi wanted. They surrendered some titles given to the Indians from the British. They start wearing khadi, own clothes. They boycott the foreign goods, purchase of foreign goods. And even some students did not did withdraw their enrollments or their entry from the educational institutes run by the British. Almost all the people got involved in it, and it was being observed that Indians would gain independence within short duration of time because the movement got intensified. All people got involved, while from laborer to the upper class people all got involved. But Gandhi had in mind that this movement may turn a violent one within short duration of time because different people have different minds to think and different strategies to work on. In 1922, in Uttar Pradesh, Chora Chori police station was attacked by mob and 22 police persons were burnt alive. Gandhi saw this violence when 22 police persons were burnt alive because mob turned violent. He suspended the movement in 1922. Because Gandhi's core ideology was that we should gain independence or self-governance by peaceful means, by satyagraha, by ahimsa, not by the violence. When mob turned violent, it burnt police station where 22 police persons were burnt alive. Gandhi suspended the movement. So the non-cooperation movement, which got started in 5th of September 1920, was suspended in 1922. Many Indians, many congressmen did not agree with the idea that Gandhi should not have suspended this movement. But I have already told you, Gandhi's core ideology was to go to obtain something through peaceful means. When mob turned violent, they burnt policemen alive. Gandhi suspended the movement in 1922, and later on, some new movements came in. After that, I will discuss with you the movement of 1930, that civil disobedience movement that was also launched under Gandhi, and lastly, Quiet India movement in 1942, which was the last movement under Gandhi, and after that movement, India got freedom from the British imperialism. So, summarizing the fact, this movement got started on 5th of September 1920 and ended in 1922 when mob turned violent and burnt 22 police personnel alive in the Chora Chori police station, and Gandhi suspended the movement because his core ideology was to gain things, to obtain things from British through peaceful means. When mob turned violent, it went against the ideology of Gandhi, that is non-violence. He suspended the movement in 1922. Dear students, this is all about the non-cooperation movement. If any question strikes your mind, any query strikes your mind regarding this topic, you are free to call me on 7006671106, and you can WhatsApp me even on 7006671106, and your query shall be answered within short duration of time, because I am here acting as a counselor guide. I am getting salary from the state exchequer. It's my moral duty to help you in these days of pandemic. But before leaving my class, I'm advising you, do concentrate on self-studies. There is no substitute for self-studies. Take care and be balanced.